Alright, so I'm thinking of how I can best explain this. On my previous videos, I explained how currencies always follow a pattern, week after week, month after month, year after year. It does the same thing over and over again. This section here, right? This is a 30 pip 2-day block. So let's go to so it's a 30 pip spread, right? Between buy stop and sell stop. Now, this pattern, we place the block in the middle. We place the block around the price, right? Let's say you place the block around the price. Then it starts going through it. It'll go up or down or, zigzag, right? And what they do is they will move out of range between, let's say, like, this is a round number, 25 to 40 pips. Sometimes it can be up to 56 pips, depending on the currency. Okay, right? But its average is like 40 pips. It's like 40 pips. So what I look for is I look for a 40 pip move outside of the range. Outside of the range, right? After that comes the 70 pip move. That 70 pip move is always our TP. You get it? You got it? Right? So I think there's a thing where you can draw a, where's the thing where you can draw a second, the line, man. No, wait, no. Image, no, geometric shapes, brush. So like, it'll go like this, go out 40 pips. I think that's around 40. Let me see. Like something like this, right? Go out 40 pips. Do like this, right? And then go to 70 pips. Or more, right? I don't know where 40 pips. It's probably not even 40. It's like 20. Hold up. Oh, wow. This is pretty good guess. So, it's going to be 40 from here to here, right? There, 40 pips. Right? And then the other move is always this. When you get used to seeing that, like this is, let's see if I can type in 30. excuse me, 30, 40, and 70. That's standard. Oh, and then the period that it does this, the time it takes, $2. That's the whole thing. And I'm hedging. Like, it's the whole thing. Now, once you get used to doing that, like once you know you start at 0.1, 0.01, whatever, do that like a million times. Then you'll be able to go to the advanced level where you'll be able to see when this started. Like, for example, I'm doing with NZDCAD. NZDCAD, it did it 70 in 2 days here, right? So then a new block starts, right? I don't know what this move is. 28.6. So it's moved out of the area 28.6. Chances are that's the 40 right there, right? Did this on some news about, they're keeping interest rates 5.5%. New Zealand, boom, 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 right? Gone back into the range. So since this is already in a further along stage, I don't need to really start at 0.01. I can start further along. Usually what I would do is kind of guess where it would be. I'm sorry, back here. So here, it's been more than 2 days. So I hit the 70, and it's more than 2 days. It's been 6 days, 7 days. And these things can go beyond 2 days, right? That's kind of a standard or something like that, like an average. But I've had ones go 9 days, 11 days, 14 days. So, and the most they've gone back is 9 times. So this has already gone back a few times since the 70. Let me redo that. It would be here. So 1, touched it 2, 4 down here, 8. So it would be like at 08. It would be like at 08. So today I started it, well, last night or whatever. I saw this all happen. All this happened. I started at yesterday, 5 p.m. I surrounded it. Let's see if I can move to the other. At 0.04. See? That was that buy here. See, it touched here. Now it's in the range. Now it's going down, so it's getting close to the 08. Which really it's already at 08. But it saved me time, right? Since I knew how far along it was. I just went ahead and moved forward instead of starting at 0.01, because what happens is you're just going to get a trigger on a very small amount. You just get TP on a small amount. So get a larger amount. We started at 10,000. We're at 10,126. I've never gone backwards. Like, these continue to win. Just some of the ones I should have moved them forward. So only won a little bit. $3, $7, $6, something like that. So I'm moving them forward. So now they're going to jump. They're going to be a larger gain, hitting my TP each time. Right? Because I did RJPY, was a little fast. It's a little too fast. It only was like 1, 2, 3. It went straight to it. It was a little too fast. What I should have done, especially with RJPY, it does that a lot. Is I should have started at a higher amount. So, but better safe, right? Than lose money. Be too high and then you got to get out your trades, right? It's a limited, it's a drawdown because this is the account. And I share my account, like I show my account at FXify. Okay, so this is where we are right now. 20 trades and such. Right. Win rate, that should be a little lower, but well, I don't know. It is what it is. A 65% win rate. And that's that. That's that. My favorite statement. Shoot me any questions if you have any questions. How you want to implement this. But this is 100% winning. Like, in other words, every time you close, every time you finish with a pair, you're on top. You're in a profit. Hedging. And that's how I do it. Am I in? Oh yeah, on CHF. So on AUDCHF right now. Oh, that was the one I was doing a demonstration on. So in AUDCHF. So remember that, you got your 30 space. So it's going to be the 40, 70. 40, 70, 40, 70. It moves out the range 40 pips, 70 pips. It does it all the time, man. See? Look, right on. That's 70 pips. Look, just right there. And kissed it. And it turned around. It does it all the time, man. This repeats forever. You're going to take yourself to $1 billion. That's what I'm going to do. All right, peace. I'll see you guys on the next one.